Hey everyone, sorry for the slightly misleading title. This video is actually about how to change how your IP looks, so you can do some pretty cool things with it. I just thought the title would get more views, and if you're watching, maybe it is. So anyway, the point of this video is to show how to use the hosts file to change how your IP looks. It's just how it looks on your computer. If you log into another computer after being on yours, it'll still show your original IP address, so just to clear that up. But you can make your IP say pretty much whatever you want. You have to make it all in one word. You can use underscores or dashes. And to do it, you have to use the host file, which I've got the path to get there for Windows computers on the screen here. This is for Windows Vista and XP and 7, I believe. I'm not sure how it works on other systems, and I have no idea how it works on Mac or Linux. I'm not even sure if it's possible to do this, although there's probably some way. It's in System 32, so you have to be a bit careful, because if you mess with files in there that you don't know what they do, you could do some pretty bad stuff to your system. This is the directory that people always tell you to delete as sort of a troll thing. You do not want to delete files in there, because yeah, they can severely destroy your system. But if you just edit the host file, you should be fine. You also need to have administrator privileges to edit the host file, because it's in a system directory. And there also are some weird things. When I was trying to edit it, sometimes it wouldn't let me. But what it would let me do is copy the file to another directory, edit it there, and then move it back in. If you're doing that, you need to make sure that when you edit it outside and then you save it back in, that it has exactly the same file name, and that it doesn't have a file type, because a host file is a typeless file, so it cannot have .txt at the end or any other file type. The host file is used to direct internet traffic, so it's often used by people who are trying to block advertisement sites, because you can type in the URL for an advertisement site and then direct it to something else. So you can use it to block ads. Viruses often use the hosts file to direct your internet away from sites that have antivirus things, so that you can't get rid of them as easily. And in this video, I'm showing how you can change the name that it says your IP address is. So first of all, you need to find your IP address. You can just Google this. If you just Google IP, it'll show you what your IP address is, or you can use some of the sites that I've got in the description, like speedtest.net or whatismyip.com. And then once you get your IP address, you just type it into the host file, and then you type in a space, and then you type in whatever you want it to display on your RuneScape login page. So for me, I'm not showing my IP, of course, but I typed in my IP address and then a space and then Jagex HQ. So whenever I log in, it says you last logged in from Jagex HQ. And I've got some suggestions for funny things you can type in. Things like last logged in from outer space, or I don't know. I'd like to see what suggestions you guys think up. I'm sure there'll be some funny ones. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video or you found it interesting. And yeah, subscribe and all that. So thanks for watching.